Good morning children. Now we will start our unit 4 and lesson is simplicity and patriotism. Simplicity means most important in our life. So in this lesson we will know that Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, one most simple and patriotic person. So in this lesson heading is the Nawab's shoes. So with this lesson we will know the importance of simplicity and importance of patriotism in our life. So Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was working on a mission to establish the Calcutta University. He was working on a mission. One mission was there. So he was working on mission to establish Calcutta University. To establish means he want to establish Calcutta University. One day he went to the palace of Nawab of Ayodhya and to seek help. So for establish that university, one day he went to Nawab of Ayodhya. For what? To seek some help. Some help means help of money. Vidyasagar knew that the Nawab was a kind person. He already knew that Nawab was very kind-hearted person. When he met and the Nawab and explained his mission, when he met Nawab and explained that what is the mission of him, means he want to establish Calcutta University and he want some money from that Nawab. The Nawab dropped his shoes into Vidyasagar's donation bag. But that time Nawab, what he had done? He dropped his shoe to Vidyasagar's donation bag. Vidyasagar did not react. Shoes. If he was not a simple and high thinker, so he would be very angry. But Vidyasagar, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was very noble, very kind-hearted and very simple person. So he did not react but just thanked the Nawab and left. He didn't react, he didn't say any word. Instead of that, instead of angry, he thanked the Nawab and he left from there. Next day, Vidyasagar organized an auction. Auction में जिसको हम लिलाव कहते हैं चीजों का, of the Nawab shoes in front of Nawab's palace. He didn't say anything. But next day he organized an auction. उन जूतों का वो लिलाव उन्होंने रखा in front of the Nawab's palace. In order to impress the Nawab, many people including Nawab's court members came forward and started bidding. वहाँ पर उन्होंने उन जूतों का लिलाव रखा और उसमें शामिल हो गए काफ़ी सारे लोग who wanted to impress Nawab, including Nawab's court member. All want to impress Nawab and so many people, maximum people that interested in that auction. The shoes were sold for 1,000. 1,000 means that time so much big price. On hearing this, the Nawab was ashamed of his behavior. What he was thinking about Nawab? That he is kind-hearted person. But he did very wrong thing. He gave his shoes to that noble person. And when he heard about that auction, and when he saw his behavior, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar's behavior, his nobility, he didn't say anything to Nawab. So he was ashamed and immediately he donated 1,000 for Vidyasagar's cause. and because of he was ashamed so much for his action, so he donated 1000 for Vidyasagar's cause, because his cause was high and noble. So now he understood and he donated 1000 rupees. So in this lesson, how that simple person Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So children, with this lesson we learn about simplicity and patriotism, Desh Bhakti. Means he didn't say any word, he want only that money in any condition. So he didn't say anything, but simply he used that shoes of Nawab and used for money also. But because of his simplicity and patriotism, Nawab was ashamed of his action and he gave him donation.